Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You're the real MVP. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, or you're going to be activating my two-step verification with me. So if that's something you want to learn how to do, then keep on watching. But first of all, we're going to be answering the question of what is two-step verification, because not everybody that knows why they should even activate their two-step verification in the first place. So in addition to your username and your password, Google have decided that we should all activate our two-step verification, which is the same thing for two-factor authentication. So this two-step verification is just to add an extra layer of security to our account in case your password is stolen. So in order to activate this two-step verification, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Google account. You can either log through your Google account, or you can log in through your YouTube Studio. To log into your Google account, you're going to type in my account .google.com. So you're going to click enter. So your account is going to display like this. Then on your, if you're using the laptop, it's going to show this way, and then if you're using your phone, it's going to show horizontally, while if you're using your laptop, it's going to show vertically. Well, the steps to activating your two-step verification is the same for both laptop and phones. It's just that the text might appear in different side of your screen, different position. So you just scroll through the panel and click on your security, which is here. This is where we have the security. Through your panel, this is where we have the security. You can either click here and then go all the way down to your two-step verification here, you can see, and then click on it, or you can even get started from here. This is where I'm cycling. Just take a look of where I'm cycling. It says it's cybersecurity awareness month, so you can activate your two-step verification through this place. It's just that there are a lot of places where you can get the prompt to activate your two-step verification, because Google is taking it very seriously that everybody should activate their two-step verification. So almost everywhere you can get started, you can even activate your two-step verification. So going through your Google account, we're going to click on the security tab, and then we'll scroll all the way down to your two-step verification here. Can you see where I'm clicking? Then you click on the two-step verification. Then this opens. You scroll all the way down to get started here. Then I'm going to click on get started, and then it's going to prompt you if you're the one signing in. So it's asking me if I have my Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy Note 8, and one more device, because these are all the devices I used in logging in. I have logged into my Google account through all of these devices, so it's asking me if I have them. I'm going to click yes because I have them. Yeah, I just got a notification on my phone to confirm that I was the one. So I'm going to quickly do that now, so that it can allow me to access my Google account. So I'm done giving the approval. So I'm going to come down all the way to continue. You click on continue. So for some reason, we in Nigeria, I don't know if it's an African something or if it's a global something, but I noticed that we in Nigeria, we cannot use our number as a backup option. So instead of using that, since we cannot use our number as a backup option, we're going to come down here, then click on use another backup option. Can you see where I'm cycling here with my mouse? Use another backup option. So I'm going to click on use another backup option, then it's going to generate, it's going to generate 10 backup codes for me to always use each time I want to log into my Google account. So you can either print out these backup codes or you download your backup code. So since I'm not connected to a printer, I'm just going to download my backup code. So I'm just going to click on download. Okay, then after that I'm going to click on next. So after clicking on next, turn on two-step verification. So after clicking on next, this open, it says that I'm going to stay signed into my Google account on all of these devices, and then each time I want to log in back, or each time I want to log in back, I will have to use my password and then my second step verification to log in back. So I'm going to click turn on. So yeah, I've successfully, I just got a mail right now saying that I have successfully activated my two-step verification. This is the mail I got. This is the mail I just got from Google that says your account, Elina Blessing at gmail.com, is now protected with two-step verification. When you sign in a new or untrusted device, you will need to sign in with your second factor to verify your identity. Don't get logged out. So basically just saying that my two-step authentication has been turned on. So if you want to view your backup codes, you can just click on this place. It is going to show you your backup codes. Yeah, then this backup code that you have, you can only use each of this. So each of these backup codes can only be used once, and when you exhaust the backup code, you can always generate new backup codes. And to generate new backup code, you just come here, you click on get new codes, and then this will generate new backup codes for you. So at this point, we have successfully activated our two-step verification code. You can also turn on your two-step verification through your YouTube Studio. All you need to do is to come on here and click on turn on two-step verification, and it will walk you through the process. All you need to do is just to follow the on-screen steps, and then you'll be good to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.